Right, here we are then, 1965 Bultaco 250cc. Been stood for 40 years, probably more, as you can see on the tax disc. It was last taxed in 1976. Bit of a project, but it's all complete. It's showing its age and the years it's been stood, I think. Needs quite a bit of new parts, new wheel rims. The engine does turn over. Slight bit of rust here and there. You can see a couple of wheels and a couple of tyres. The forks are quite badly fitted, but it is complete, and the engine does turn over. Mileage on it says 158, which I suppose it's been stood for that long, it could be true. It's on sale down here at Pickering. If it's a nice little project for somebody, spend a bit of time on there and you'll have a nice bike.